Welcome back with another snow squall warning. This is for Burley, Declo, Rupert, and Paul, Idaho. Also the south side of Assaquah and north side of Albion, Idaho. This is until 1 p.m. Central Mountain Standard Time. We also got parts of Interstate 84 and highways 81, 30, and 27 and 25. We also got parts of Interstate 86 as well. And we got 37,698 people affected by this. And this is what's been popping up with the webcam. I'll retweet that also, actually. But as is, we are looking at whiteout conditions, as you can see here. So it's best to not be on the road more than you have to. And yeah, that's about it. Stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.